Daprato Rigali Studios, formerly Daprato Statuary Company, is an interior restoration and renovation company in Chicago. It was founded in 1860 by the Daprato brothers, Italian immigrants from the town of Barga. The company specializes in interior renovations and restorations of historic and iconic buildings such as churches, theaters, hotels, banks, courthouses, and commercial building lobbies. They have decorative painting, stained glass, and marble fabrication departments. In 1881, Johnny Rigali, the great-grandfather of the firm's current family members, completed his training in Florence and immigrated to Chicago to work with the Daprato brothers. Rigali became a partner in 1884 and, in 1890, president of Daprato Statuary Company. In 1909, Pope Pius X bestowed on Daprato Studios the title of Pontifical Institute of Christian Art. By the mid-1920s they operated locations in Chicago, Montreal, New York City and Pietrasanta. In 1960, under the guidance of Robert Rigali, the organization took on the name Daprato Rigali Studios. The company is currently managed by fourth-generation Rigali family members Bob, John, Mike, and Elizabeth. In 2019 they were awarded the Illinois Family Business of the Year award by Loyola_University_Chicago. Cathedral of St. Mary of the Immaculate Conception, Peoria, Illinois. Holy Name Cathedral, Chicago, full restoration of interior following fire in 2009. Rookery Building, St. John Cantius Church, Chicago. University of St. Mary of the Lake, St. Clement Catholic Church, Chicago. Cathedral of Christ the King, Atlanta. Cathedral of the Incarnation, Nashville, Tennessee. St. Hedwig's Church, Chicago. St. Mary's Church, Beaverville, Illinois. Basilica of the Immaculate Conception, Natchitoches, Louisiana. The Pontifical Institute of Christian Art. Illinois Family Business of the Year Award.